Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Spearfish Lodge number 18 in Spearfish, South Dakota, way up in the northern, I think this is the northwest corner of South Dakota. We're actually really close to Wyoming. I think it's about 11 miles. But we're going to go in here and take a look at this lodge and take a look around, see what they got here, and a couple of things. Maybe you can visit this lodge if you happen to be in the area. Or maybe you'll see something in this lodge maybe help make your lodge a little bit better. And like an and, it's like a comment, and an and. So, and one other thing, if you want to get these videos a little earlier, it costs you $3. That's right, $3. Now, how does that work? Well, if you'll check in the description down below, it'll talk about how to be supporting the channel so that you can get videos like this just as soon as I publish them, because typically I publish these about a week late. Today is like the 15th of the month, and this lodge video won't come out until probably the 30th, I believe. Maybe it's the first of next month. But anyway, I purposely do that because I want to refine them, and every now and then, to tell you the truth, sometimes I get a correction of something that I might have had on here that the master might have wanted me to change, or an update that I learned while I was inside the lodge room. So anyway, so that's why I do that. But they've got a beautiful building here, as you can see from the outside. We are 2 blocks from downtown Spearfish, which is down there. Not a huge city. I don't know the population. Maybe I can put it in here somewhere. But come along and join us. Let's go inside, because you've just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. I got here and they weren't having a meeting. For whatever reason, it was canceled or moved to another week, and then the next week I couldn't make it. So this is actually a month later from that first little bit of video I showed. But the good news is we are going inside now, because as you can see, there's cars here and there's cars down here. And I've actually talked to Max, and he says we're having a meeting, so come on up. Because I would have said come on down, but I was actually south of him. So it's about an hour and a half drive up here to Spearfish, but should be a good meeting. So come along with this. Well, this is a downstairs area, and what they have here is obviously a dining room. It's actually set up as classroom setting a little bit. Well, at least that chair is. The rest of it is a dining room. They actually rent it out for different events and different things, but I really like these that they have on the wall. Maybe we should get some of these for our home lodge, huh? I like it. This is great for when you do rent a room out, that you have these, something like this on the wall to explain to people what it is you are and what you do. So this is great. I like it. And they got a full kitchen. Let's go through the window. Yep. Standard full kitchen. Oh, is that a dishwasher? Awesome. All right, let's go on upstairs. And there's the area there, and they got a nice pool table room here. This reminds me of the one in there's a couple different lodges that have a pool table. It's a good size too. I like it. They got some historic artifacts here. It's a really cool one. Someone told me the story about this one. It was actually carved out of a tree. So that was really nice. You get the shrine representing Scottish Rite, and they actually have a York Rite chapter that meets here. You see some of the York Rite pictures across the top. Royal Archmasons, RAM. All the way around. I wish more lodges would have a pool tables and get used, that is. You go inside the lodge room. So just inside the door here, we've got a nice carpet here. Eastern Star represented. Obviously, they got an Eastern Star chapter here. You see a lot of that. Look at these older chairs, though. Everything matches, though. I like that. You can definitely tell the age of some of these chairs. Here's our senior warden station. They've already taken down the column and everything, and they put all that away. I think they're going to be using it for their outdoor degree they're doing next week. That's a nice picture of George Washington there. Don't see many like that. They got a nice globe. These are good sized globes too. These are the kind of globes you'd see in a school. Of course, that's your celestial globe and your terrestrial globe. Really cool. Around the sides, looks like they probably had room for 2 rows of chairs down over here, but there's just a nice set of pews. A good picture of George Washington. Let's just see the rest of this room before I get over there. Really good looking room. And of course they got the seat here in the east, or the north I should say, for Eastern Star. They got Eastern Star represented there. And what is that they got in the back corner? Oh, it's like a stick. Let's take a look. This might be for Eastern Star. My guess. Chop. Nice. All the way down. And just a nice cane. Got a ball on top of it. Huh. Interesting. I don't think I've seen one of those before. Got a good piano here. And of course, you know me, I like these ballot boxes here. Really cool ballot boxes. Sometimes you see some, it's got a hole here so that when you go like this, it props it up. It goes dink like that. But you can see that. So you would try to hold this up. Got your different balls in here. Let's see. Anything else in here. Oh, there you go. There's your cubes. And a sort of ball. That's black. Put a ballot cube in there. Flip it down. Of course, you see a black cube there. I'm not going to push it back through because it's a receptacle. I'm going to put it on that side. But they got nice and padded there. And that, of course, would be Eastern Star. Anytime you see a white ballot box, that's going to be Eastern Star. Very few I've ever seen that the ballot box is white of any regular lodge. And you know, in Texas, they actually post the colors. They didn't post the colors today here. I forget if South Dakota posts colors or not. Definitely did a Pledge of Allegiance. I like that. That's like metal there. That's cool. And these, I noticed, these don't slide. They're glued down. I think I've seen more of those drop-off chairs or all tables like this. But here they actually got them. They got them down. I thought there was looks like a trowel there in the corner. It's like a sound system there. They've got the sword here. Nice Tyler sword. As most Masonic swords you see like this, that's the York Rite logo. They're going to be using a York Rite sword. It's pretty common. I like it though. It's a good touch. There's your South Dakota flag here. Great state of South Dakota. How about that? What we got here? Spearfish Lodge. Oh, they got Mount Rushmore on there. Almost brought it over, but I caught it. I don't know, fraternity. That's their charter there. What year does it say? 1881. Nice. Charter for the Eastern Star. And they got storage back there. We're not going to go back there. It's like a big storage room. That's a nice office though. This is a secretary would set up here. And they would have their other staff there. If they had a staff. You can see up top they got the light up the G. I believe that's Job's Daughters. To the left. Yeah. I believe that's Job's Daughters there, chapter. Oh, they got that there. I didn't even notice the Masonic logo on the back of that chair. It's a cool touch. A nice touch. Go here and see the Junior Warden Station. I actually got a chance to sit here today. It's pretty rare. They were short some bodies, and actually this is one of the easier offices to. It's pretty common to have the same type of verbiage when you're here as you do other states, because the Junior Warden doesn't say a whole lot. The staff's got like a leather thing on there. And these are almost like a computer. Three-dimensional though. Huh. Nice. I don't see that very often. Normally they're a lot thinner than that. Must be an older set. And last but not least, let's look at the altar here. Where, like I said, they just put the Bible up. They got the 3 lesser lights. They got a single button for those. Because this state, you can do that. Other states, they might be separated. And here, I just saw them open this. So I'm going to open it real quick. I think I am. not. I think it opens. Ah, there it is. So they got basically, they keep the regalia in here and gavels. And got their gavels there. It's a nice place to do that. Or just go, I guess they just keep it there because maybe they probably put them up because of Eastern Star, so it kind of helps them if they're having a meeting this week. Nice. So if you're ever here in Spearfish, South Dakota, come on and join these brothers here at Spearfish Lodge number 18. I think during the meeting I said 10. It should have been Spearfish Lodge number 18. I'm sure they welcome you like they did me. They do not have dinner, so don't come hungry. But the meeting starts at 7 o'clock, and they only have one meeting. I think it's the first Thursday of the month is what it is. So come along and join these brothers and break bread, and maybe you can meet someplace downtown and break bread, but not here. They do have a breakfast. They're having a breakfast because this is Sturgis time and motorcycle rally, and they're going to be doing a breakfast for people coming in. But anyway, join these brothers, and I want to let you go because I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.